Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Technology Sahayak. This is my another tutorial, how to enable developer options in Realme phone. To turn on developer options, we first go to our phone settings. Now from the phone settings, go to About Phone. Press on Versions. Now press on 7 times on Build Number. Developer option will be enabled. And the notification below will show if the developer option is enabled. My developer options already enable, that's why show this message. However guys, after enable developer options, we will go to developer options. To go to the developer options, press on System. Guys, you can see developer options. If we are going to do any work in the setting inside the developer option, then press on the developer option. And turn on this icon if turn off. Now we can work on any settings inside developer options. Guys, hope you have understood how to enable developer option in Realme phone. Guys, if you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.